Hello everyone, my name is Neil. As you know, here I'm sharing how we can customize our theme and create new one. So far we have completed our all changes. Last time we have created a price change option. Just a second, let me show. So last time we did changes on product page. So when we are going to change this one, the price will change. Like we have brew with small extra small, we have 500 and others have 3700. So let's add one more thing over here. I'm going to work on this. So let's add compare add price also here. For that, let's open product template section, and over here let's add where is our price. Yeah, here is our price. So let's say yeah, over here let's add product dot compare at price with money and save. Now we got 3700, and I want to add one more thing here. So let's compare if our price is this should say current variant. So if current variant have a price, oh, not this one, let's say if current price not equal to compare at price, then and else. Okay, so this is work like if our product have a different price, then we are going to use this one, otherwise it will stay like this. or just do the same over here. The next thing we have to do, we have to add compare at price over here also. Where is it? Our variants. Yep, this one. I'm going to add minus again, and then variant dot compare at price money with currency. I'm going to keep everything same. And over here where we did our JS, where is it? Okay, instead of doing this, I'm going to say const, let's call this one array, and variant price equal to variant arrays first one and also compare at price and this will be second one. So let's say let's print these two first. Where is it? Over here. Console.log and paste our variables. Refresh this again. Let me zoom this one. So like we have 3 axes, I'm going to change to 2 axes and 3 axes again. We got our 3000 and 37,000 and 38,000. So let's say we have small one. In small one we have same case. Let me add one more case also. So every one has own price. For this one I'm going to remove the compare at price. So blue 3xs have no compared price. Blue with 2xs, 3xs, so we don't have any price for this one. Okay, then let's append over here. I'm going to use template literal. In template literal, first thing is our compared price, and then second thing will be if compared price exists, then print, otherwise nothing. I'm also going to add spam over hashtag also. So this will do the job. So right now we don't have anything for blue 3xs. Oops, this should be HTML. Now we are good. If I am going to change to blue 3xs, then we got no variant compared price. And I also want to one more thing over here. I want to say and variant price not equal to variant compared price. So first thing we checked if compared price exists, and then I added if this variant price and variant compared price is different, then it will print, otherwise it will don't. So let's mimic this one also. So blue with 3xs have same price. So let's say black, blue with 2xs and 3xs. Now we got both prices same, you can see in console. Then I print only the product price, not compared price. So let's add this one also here. Where is our price? Yeah, this is working just like I just already added this one. So that's a quick fix for compared price not showing on changes. So okay, then that's all for today. Let's see in new video. Till then, keep coding, be awesome.